welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Black Cherry, and I'm back with a finally back because I feel like I haven't done a hair unboxing or review since like last year. No, since like maybe like a year and a half ago, because you know we was in quarantine March and it's now March, so you know it's our Corona anniversary or whatever. So in honor of that, I got some wigs. I got 2 headband wigs from Amazon, because y'all know I'm synthetic mommy. I'm synthetic queen, okay? Y'all know that I love me a synthetic wig. So I purchased 2 synthetic wigs from Amazon. I got 2 different textures from 2 different sellers on Amazon. That's what you call them. 2 different sellers, 2 different headband wigs. And I also purchased some headbands or silk wraps or whatever. Let's get into the video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, because like, subscribe, girl. It ain't nothing but a thing. I will definitely put the links down below in the description box, and also the full exact name, because you know Amazon has 50 different names with the same thing, but it might be a different seller. The exact link in the description box, and also the exact name that they have on Amazon, so that you can find it much easier than going through a bunch of different people. So first wig is, and this is from GT Wig, and it came just like this, and these are both synthetic, by the way. So packaging, okay, cute, standard. So in the bag they give 2 wig caps. They give you a thank you for purchasing and what comes in your packaging. They give you a headband, okay? A headband. And they also gave some hoop earrings. Wow, I'm feeling the vibe already. I'm feeling the vibe. So this is the wig. Doesn't have any smell to it. It comes just like this. You know, with your standard. And I believe this wig was 20 something inches. I'll put it on the screen because I do not remember how many inches it is. But you know, your regular standard straight comes with the headband piece here, and Velcro straps in the back. It also does come with a comb at the nape and 2 combs at the sides. Wow. It feels very snug. So let's try it on. So I have a wig cap on. Of course, my hair is in twists, so it's not as flat as, you know, I would like it to be. But I'm trying to achieve a bomb-ass twist out. So my hair's in twist. So they said to do like this. Little tangle and a lot of shed. So I didn't tuck the back piece in because I'm gonna try on the next wig. But this is what it's giving, and I mean, even though my hair is not flat, I feel like I like it. I just feel that very like full. I would say that. It's very soft, silky. I feel like the luster is very, I wonder if I'm saying that correct. Like, it's cute. I like it. Definitely like it. Definitely would get probably like a thicker headband, or probably just tuck the headband that actually comes with the wig a little bit under, much better than how I did. But it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. I like that they give you the headband, which I really think is like a nice touch, because if you're buying this wig for the first time and you don't have headbands, it's like, oh my god, what will I do? Because black is cute, but you know, you want a little pizzazz, especially if the hair is already dark. So it gives you like a different kind of vibe. I don't even know, but I like how they do give you earrings, because listen, hoops with a nice little ponytail with a nice little straight hair is definitely the vibe. Let me see. I actually like it. I wish it wasn't like so frizzy, because that means like wherever you go and you wear this wig, you would have to bring a brush. I like the vibe. I get what they was going for. It's not a human hair wig, so you know, you cannot expect the best. You can only expect enough. This is what the wig is given. I actually like it. I feel like if I put a little bit of dry shampoo to get a lot of the shininess out. You know, once your hair is flat, I just feel like it's really heavy. Like, I don't know what kind of texture to call it. Just like it feels just doesn't feel as light. But anyway, this is the first wig. Now let's get into the second wig. So the second wig, it came with a wig cap, and it shows you how to put it on the back. And then it also came with a business card. So this is Silky wigs. And then it also gave you hairpins. Yes, for the hairpins. Yes. Yes, I like that. So this is how the wig comes. I bought this in a different color than just your regular black. I got it with a little bit of highlights. As you can see, this is the brand name right here. But yes! Regular, standard wig. This one has a little bit of a scent to it, but not like stank or nothing. That's one of the things that I look at when I buy wigs. Like, does it have a smell? Because sometimes the smell can be really overpowering. And then you're just like, ugh, no. But this is the wig. This is the number 2, and this was supposed to be a natural Yaki Marley hair textured. So that's that. It comes with your regular, you know, headband. This one, the wig construction, this one gives you a little bit more Velcro than the one that I have on right now. But this one definitely looks big head friendly. This one actually comes with 4 combs instead of 3 combs. So it comes with 1 right here at the forehead, 2 at the side, and then 1 at the nape. And then this one comes with, oh my gosh, this one didn't come with this. It comes with adjustable straps. So yes, big head friendly and small head friendly. And this was maybe 20 inches. Do you see the highlights? I'm about to be a baddie. This is the Yaki texture, and listen, I'm loving the color. Like, the color is it. Ooh, definitely big head friendly. This is how the wig looks. So it's supposed to be your natural Yaki. I like it, and it feels, as soon as I said it feels so soft, I got a knot. But yes, it is soft. It's very light. It feels like I don't even have a wig on. Okay? Like, yes. Yes for this. Yes. I like it. Definitely, I know if my hair was flatter. I like the color. I wish there was a little bit more in the front. But you see it, you know, throughout. It's highlights. I wish it was more highlighted in the front. But yes, all you need to do with this is like have a wide tooth comb. Like, you can't tell me that this is not my real hair. But shedding a little bit. Not as much as the last one. We're not trying to get left off of Bad and Bougie this year, okay? It's 2021. Get you some wigs from Amazon. It can be synthetic. It can be real. Whichever one suits you, boo. Okay? Oh my God. This is going to be, like, my favorite. Like, this is literally, like, if I wanted to leave more hair out, definitely. Like, it would definitely be so perfect. Like, throw it on and let's go. But anyway, last but not least, I did purchase some silk bandanas to, you know, spice up the wigs that I purchased. Hold on. To spice up the wigs, so I purchased this in a pack, and this was like, it was a 3-pack for I think maybe $9 or like $10. And they're so cute. So this is like one color on one side, one color on the other side. They're all neutral colors, so you can definitely wear them with a bunch of different things. This one was my favorite because it had leaves on it. I definitely have to get some springtime ones because these are my springtime wigs. Throw on and go. Less maintenance, the better there is. Like, who wouldn't want that? And then I got this one. This one looks similar to the other one, so let's open up this one. The tribal print. Is that what we would even call this? A tribal print. Ooh, so soft. Oh my gosh, look. You can use it this way if you're feeling springy and blue. Or you can use it this way if you're feeling dark. It has a little stretch to it. And bam. I love it. This one is my favorite. The other one, this one I'm wearing first. This one I'm wearing first. Hold on, let me give y'all. Love it. Love it. Oh my, let's see that? Don't you see me out here flowing freely with this wig that I purchased? So that sums up my Amazon wig purchases. 2 wigs, and also I showed you guys my headbands, my silk bands. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you want to see me review or try on any other wigs that you are thinking of purchasing, but you want to get it Black Cherry approved. I like that. Black Cherry approved. So if you want your wig Black Cherry approved, all you have to do is comment down below what wig you want me to try next, the brand, and also a link if you have, or just the name, because wigs have names. I don't know what I'm going to call this one yet. I don't know what I'm going to call her yet, but yes. I heard you was looking for me. You in my business. Don't do that. But don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I do wig reviews. I do try-ons. I do a little bit of beauty. Vlogs. I just literally do everything. Anything that I think is fun, that's what I put on my channel. So, yeah. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, girl. Okay? And I think that's all. Follow me on my social media so that you can get, you know, a full do of this wig, of these wigs for the spring. But nah, anyway, I'm out. I'm done. I'm doing too much. It's the wig. It's the wig, boo.